How to mute and unmute YouTube videos on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quickly control the sound on any video. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, look out for any video on your screen. From there, tap on the speaker icon to mute or unmute the video instantly. Following this, if you want more control over the volume, use the physical volume buttons on the side of your device to adjust the sound level while the video is playing. Once done, if you want to mute YouTube entirely without muting your whole device, tap on the volume button and drag the slider all the way down to 0. From here, keep in mind that if your device is on silent or vibrate mode, YouTube videos will also play without sound. Make sure your media volume is turned up by pressing the volume up button on the side of your device. Finally, if sound issues continue, try force stopping YouTube. Open your Android settings, tap on Apps, search for YouTube, tap on it and tap Force Stop. Then reopen the app and try again. And that's it. If this guide helped you mute and unmute YouTube videos, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.